morning students. Today I will take your class spoken English and subject is son and mother. Conversation with son and mother. So first of all I will say you that in our life everything is not possible, everything is impossible, but our work and our affection and love on that particular things makes us possible. So like that, some students are here who is feeling that spoken English, it is very tough. How I will speak in English? It is not tough. We know English, but how it will utilize, that is important, and that is our hard work. So for that, today I will discuss first son and mother. Son and mother, daughter and mother, anything. Just son and mother I am saying you. First, ma. What are you doing? Means first mother asked to son, what are you doing? তুমি কি করিতেছো? First question is, what are you doing? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? Mother asked to son. Second, son gave answer, nothing ma, just relaxing. Daughter will be there, no problem. What said? Nothing ma, just relaxing. Means আমি কিছুক্ষণ রেস্ট নিচ্ছি, রিল্যাক্স করছি। ওকে। থার্ড ইজ মা সেড, হোয়াট নট ইউ গো টু স্কুল টুডে? হোয়াট আস্ক, উড ইউ নট গো টু স্কুল টুডে? তুমি কি আজকে স্কুল যাবে না? সন সেড, নো মা, আই এম নট ফিলিং ওয়েল। হোয়াট সেড? নো মা, আই এম নট ফিলিং ওয়েল। মানে আমি ফিজিক্যালি নট গুড, আমি ভালো নয়, আমি ভালো অনুভব করতে পারছি না, मैं ठीक नहीं हूँ, इसलिए वो सॉन बोला है नो माँ, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल। नेक्स्ट इज माँ, ओके देन शुड आई कॉल इन ए डॉक्टर? আমি কি ডক্টরকে ডাকবো? হু আস্ক? মাদার। ওকে দেন শুড আই কল ইন এ ডক্টর? সন সেড, নো মা, just let me relax for a couple of time. What said? No ma, just let me relax for a couple of time. আমাকে কিছু সময় একটু রেস্টে থাকতে দাও। মা said, okay take rest. Mother what said? Okay take rest. So this is conversation son and mother. So first word, what are you doing? Nothing ma, just relaxing. Next, would not you go to school today? No ma, I am not feeling well. Next, okay then should I call in a doctor? No ma, just let me relax for a couple of time. And next is ma, okay take rest. So this is conversation with son and mother. Now I will say the little error. What error? When you will talk with your mother or with others, some error you just keep in your mind. First is, what are you doing? Error is some people are saying that what you are doing. This is error, what you are doing, but this is wrong. What are you doing means when question mark will be there, that time auxiliary verb, this is are, a r e, r is auxiliary verb. So auxiliary verb all time will come out before subject. You are the subject and r is the auxiliary verb. So question time this auxiliary verb will come out first. So what error? What you are doing, this is wrong. Answer is what are you doing? This is simple error. Next is, would not you go to school today? Would not you go to school today? This is second error. Some people are saying that would you not go to school today? Would you not? But here not you. Why? Means when this is negative sentence, if you skip this question mark, then this is negative sentence. Not you go to school today, but when you will speak or when you will ask to others, then not will come out first. Means you not go to school today, this is negative question, but question mark, that is not you go to school today, means not will come out first, after that subject, object, verb, everything will be there. So like that, not you go to school today, this is correct. Next error, just let me relax for a couple of time. Question is, error is where? Error this a couple of time. Error is a couple of time. We are saying that what? Oh, you just go and take me rest one time, but little bit time. But this is wrong. Means spoken when you will speak to other student or others like your mother, father, anything. That time will come out couple. Couple means what? Couple means just time. Means maybe 1 hour, maybe 2 hour, maybe some minutes. Okay. So for a couple of time. So just let me relax for a couple of time. After that, okay, take rest. Okay. So now understood, I think, that what when you will speak in English to others, that time just little bit error you will keep in your mind. Again I am saying that first are means auxiliary verb, am is our auxiliary verb, that if here am I means like I am going to school, okay, means am I go to school, means am will come out. Okay, it is good, is it good, means is will come out first, am will come out first, and like that are will come out first. That are you doing means are is the error, just keep in your mind. Are you are doing, not are you doing. Okay. So thank you and keep in your mind.